Hey, I'm Handyman Dan with You Can Build This. I'm making this project for my wife as a surprise. She does not know I'm making this for her. It's actually a Christmas present. She's wanted one of these for a long time, and for some reason I got a wild hair and decided to build it for her Christmas present. I may have bitten off a little bit more than I can chew, which wouldn't be too surprising to my wife.
I love it. My favorite thing about it is the handle.
This video is going to be a little bit different than my typical videos. Instead of explaining each step-by-step process, you can find a copy of our blueprints in the description below. I'll be showing just a visual image at the top of what step we're on, and each new step will be highlighted as orange so you can easily follow along with what we're doing. Wait, that didn't work. Misfire, misfire. Third try. First try. Ow. Did I seriously get a splinter? No. Seriously? Son of a gun. I definitely messed up here. I did not need the pocket screws going that way. Oh well. And that's why I don't play basketball. So that looks cool. I'm using this gel stain. It's simply white. I wanted to hide some of the grain, but I still wanted to see that it was wood. I'm also using this fast drying polyurethane. Now, one thing to keep in mind, both of these are oil based. Whatever stain you use, you want to make sure that you use the same type of clear coat. So if you use an oil based stain, you want to make sure to use an oil based clear coat. Otherwise, they won't adhere well. Now, the reason I didn't do the same trick with my gel stain that I did with my clear coat by punching the holes into the groove is because this is a gel stain and it's not very liquid. So punching holes into the top of the cap wouldn't really do anything. I'm doing one coat of this polyurethane on the back because if I don't, then over time, these are gonna potato chip. Polyurethane is gonna keep most of the air and moisture from entering into the wood. It's not gonna keep everything out. So if I don't at least coat the backs, then it's going to allow a lot more air and moisture to get into the wood, and then it's gonna potato chip on me. And we can't have that. All goes back into the can. That little hack is so awesome. I didn't even know this when I picked them up from the store yesterday, but these two pieces are a book match of cedar. How crazy is that? Ah. Does it look like a little fairy cottage? Oh yeah. There's the curb. There's my sprinkler line that feeds my little park strip here. I dug down here first, but at 22 inches deep, I hit concrete. So I thought it had to do with the curb, but I'm finding that 22 inches down here, I'm hitting concrete too. So I wanted to go deeper for my post, but what I'm gonna do instead is throw some concrete down 8 or 10 inches as high as my sprinkler line, and then cover the rest with dirt. Well, there you have it. I didn't show how to make the door. I just put plexiglass into the groove around the door on the inside, and I put silicone on it, so it should keep all the water out. Because of this little drip edge and the lip on the inside of the door, not really worried about water getting into it.
This is my free library. I love it. My favorite thing about it is the handle. If we're talking structurally, I think the door is pretty cool. It like magnetizes, so it closes and shuts securely. I love that there's 2 shelves because I love books and I have a ton of books. I put together some free printable bookmarks in there just for funsies, and that it looks like a little birdhouse. I love the glass too, that you can see inside of it very clearly. It's not like plexiglass. Oh, is it plexiglass?
Yeah, it's plexiglass.
Okay. it's not like the foggy kind of glass that looks lame. It looks like real glass. Just laminated piece of paper there so that people, when they walk by, they know that you can take a book, leave a book. If you love a book, then by all means keep the book. Right now we are stuffed full of books, and most of them are children's books, but I have had somebody come by and already leave some books. So that is pretty exciting and fun.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Go away! Bring some books!
Yes. Bucket.
This is my free library.
Mic check.
Do you say your name on there? Can I say Daniel?
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.